Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be drawing Princess Amber from Sofia the First. So let's get started. So, okay. So first, obviously we have to do her hair. So go here. Okay. Now go on the big circle. Okay, I'll just color in. I would like to bring my pencil here, so be faster. Okay, then I'm gonna do the other one, but first I'm gonna draw the eyebrow. Not the eyebrow, the eyelashes, so it'll be easier and more faster. Now go to again, do the same thing. Okay, small, big. My pencil, because my pencil is really, it's like unlike here. See, it's really you know what you call it, a thick. So I like to use it. Okay, now back to my, go here and okay, now just gotta do her smile. Okay, then go here up. Okay, now do her ear. Okay, oops, yeah, her ear is so small. Cannot be so small. Then she cannot hear anything very. Oops. Okay, now just come here. Come here. Just come here. And like that. Yes. Now take this and put it like it's a boy, but we're not doing a boy one. Okay. So first we come here up. The short. Then another one here, and here. Okay, this one. Okay. Now we just have put here. Here, this will be her crown. Oops, oh, it's so big. Okay, work out. I will work out on that later, and the hair also. So first, just gotta do her neck first. Oopsies. Just like this. Okay. Then, okay, come here. Okay. Then we come here. Just put this here, and then come here too. Okay. Then go up. Go down like this and join it. Okay, then take this end, come here, and go. Okay, and then do that again. Push this in here. Okay. Do you know how this and that? How she has this got that design. Then her arm. So I'm doing that as well. And maybe get this up. And here. I will add more details. Don't worry. I'm not going to just be like that. They will be like not nice at all, right? Okay, and then here. Move this up a little bit. And here. Okay. Now let's do her shot. So I remember in the movie, Embers is like this, right? And then out inside got this line, this shape and lines, 3 lines. I don't have space for that, so I just gotta do that. I think it's nice also, and I would like to put more details. Maybe just a necklace. I think Amber will like that because I think Amber, I remember in the movie also she has a necklace. Okay, now that is done. Come here. Of course need to do this. Okay. Then now we do her crown because so just outline it, but don't outline the the wave line. Just put it like a sorry about that. Okay, and then now oh my god, I don't think I have space for this. Okay, I just gotta do here. And yeah, sorry if it is not nice, I got no space. Okay, then now come here and yeah. Okay, then come here, maybe here. Okay, and then here. Wow, don't forget here too. Now we do the other side. I think it looks like her, right? Guys, comment below if it looks like her. Okay. Oopsies! I should have done that. Okay, I think this is good. Okay. Okay, then now we just gotta put like here. Yeah, nice. Then come here. And here. Nice. Maybe here. And here. And here. And here. Wow, it looks perfectly nice. So that is much. Not much. What is this all in the side? Okay, I have to. Oop! No. Okay, this is just a. Okay, I think that's it. Done. Okay. No, I'm not gonna. Okay, I think that's it. And maybe the dot I could just do this. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my channel. That is much it. So hope you like it and comment below what else do you want me to draw. Bye. Even Amber says bye. Bye.